In this video, we will discuss AutoMaintain, which is a part of the Combine Advisor set of technologies on an S700 combine. To set up AutoMaintain, we will first go to the Combine Advisor button in the shortcut bar. One common misconception of AutoMaintain is it automatically sets all the machine settings. That is not true. AutoMaintain simply automates or maintains the performance of the combine automatically. So we do initially need to set the combine and ensure it is doing a good job in terms of grain loss and grain quality. One item you could do to help set the machine is use optimized performance. You do not have to use optimized performance. It is just there as a tool to help you set the machine. If you would like to use optimized performance, you can simply go in and tell the combine where we are not happy with current performance. For example, if we were not happy with our broken grain and we decided we had too much broken grain in the sample, we can simply tell the combine what severity of issue we have. So in this example, we chose moderate broken grain in the sample, and the combine will give us a recommendation of what it would like to do to alleviate the issue. In this example, the first recommendation is increasing the threshing clearance by 1 millimeter. I can also choose other recommended settings if I would like to try something else. Once I'm ready to apply the change, simply hit apply and the machine will go ahead and adjust that setting. Then we can monitor performance and decide whether we want to keep the change or not. We do have the ability to adjust more than one item at a time. In this example, I've chosen to look at issues with both separator loss and light foreign material at the same time. Some other tools you could help to optimize your machine would be the Equipment Plus app. Also has recommendations to help alleviate performance issues. Once you are totally happy with the grain tank sample and the amount of grain loss at the rear of the machine, we are now ready to turn AutoMaintain on. Simply push on in our automation settings, and this will start acquiring a performance target. We will begin harvesting, and on the Combine Advisor page, we can see next to AutoMaintain, we now have a spinning circle telling us we are in acquiring mode of setting the performance target. We will see a bar graph here that will fill in to let us know how far we are along in the progression of setting a target. Typically, it will take roughly 15 minutes, give or take, to set a new performance target. You can see the yellow bar graph filling in to let us know our status. We are currently about 10% complete in setting our target. Once your target has been set, the system will look to maintain the levels of grain loss and grain quality that you have set. Some things you can watch for. You can go into the history and you can look at active adjustments along with completed adjustments. We can see under our active adjustments, the machine has increased the sieve by 3 millimeters due to excessive tailings. Keep in note In corn and soybeans, feedback from the tailings is not used, but in the selected crop of wheat, in this example, that does have the ability to adjust AutoMaintain settings. If we would like a little more information about the setting, we can go a little bit further. So currently is an active adjustment. The system has made this change and is currently monitoring the performance. If the performance increases, this will be saved and held as a future stored setting. Or in other words, the machine will simply keep that change until it sees another performance issue. Once the machine decides to keep this recommendation for the long term, it will be listed in the completed adjustments section. The completed adjustments section will store all the changes that have been completed since the last key cycle. If you would like to get a little more information, you could go to the performance section where graphs will be displayed on loss and grain quality for the last 30 minutes. Since we have just begun harvesting, our graphs are not very far in the process. We can now see that we're almost half done setting our AutoMaintain target. If you run into a situation such as cutting soybeans at night where grain loss feedback from the sensors is very high, it may even be inaccurate, we may choose to turn the AutoMaintain system off. Simply come back into the Combine Advisor button and hit off to turn off AutoMaintain. And then the next day we can come back in and turn it back on. If we would like to set a new performance target later in the season as conditions change, we would simply come back in to our Combine Advisor section where we are at right now. Again, we can get there from the shortcut bar, and we would choose Set Performance Target again to create a new performance target later in the season. We can see we have almost completed our AutoMaintain target. So notice when you're looking at your Combine settings, whether in Combine Advisor or on the Run page, settings that are currently being changed will show in blue to let you know there is an adjustment that has been in progress. Also keep in mind, settings on the chaffer and the sieve and the fan can also turn blue due to active terrain adjustment, changing that setting due to changes in slope. So if we open up Combine Advisor again, we can see our performance target has been set. We can see at the bottom when that performance target was set for reference, and then we can also watch our AutoMaintain status. In this example, we can see the grain quality symbol telling us AutoMaintain is currently not happy with our grain quality and it is monitoring an adjustment. To learn what it is doing, we can simply go to History and look at our active adjustments as we looked at earlier. We do have the ability to go into the AutoMaintain settings and adjust the overall responsiveness of the system and also change the sensitivity to certain issues. So if we were very concerned about broken grain, such as seed production, we could raise the responsiveness due to broken grain. As we talked about before, if we would like to shut AutoMaintain off, simply go into Combine Advisor and shut the system off. And then when we are ready to turn it back on, simply come back into Combine Advisor and toggle it back on, and it will pick up where it left off before at the previous target. This video has been an overview of the Combine Advisor package using the AutoMaintain function.